Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a large banner in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up the right dimensions so your banner looks crisp, prints correctly, and fits the space you have in mind. Whether you're designing for an event, storefront, or online promotion, getting the size right is crucial to making your banner stand out and deliver your message effectively. Start on the Canva main dashboard. From here, click the Create button at the top left, then choose Custom Size. Before entering anything, change the units to inches. Inches are easier to visualize for print because most print shops use them, and they translate cleanly to feet. For example, 24 inches equals 2 feet, 36 inches equals 3 feet, and so on. This makes it simple to picture how your banner will sit on a table, hang on a wall, or span across a booth. Using inches also helps when you're thinking about proportions and the overall look in physical space. You'll have a clearer idea of how big your banner will be in relation to the environment it will be placed in. As a quick orientation tip, a wider width than height gives you a landscape banner, while a taller height than width gives you a portrait banner. Landscape banners are ideal for events where people are likely to view the banner from a distance, like at trade shows or conferences. Portrait banners are great for narrow spaces or when you want to emphasize vertical messaging, such as for street poles or in-window displays. Now, let's talk about sizes you can input into the width and height fields. If you need something for a smaller space or indoor use, popular choices include 2 feet by 4 feet, 24 by 48 inches, and 2 feet by 6 feet, 24 by 72 inches. These sizes work well for shelf talkers, close-up messaging, or smaller indoor displays where you're focused on getting the attention of people standing near the banner. They can also work well for short-term promotions or special sales that require quick and direct messaging. A versatile go-to option is 3 feet by 6 feet, 36 by 72 inches, which is great for events, storefronts, and tables for large outdoor visibility. This is one of the most commonly used sizes, as it offers enough visibility without being too overwhelming. It's ideal for storefronts where you'll want to catch the attention of people walking by, or for booths at expos where you need your banner to stand out from a distance. Try 4 feet by 8 feet, 48 by 96 inches, or even 4 feet by 10 feet, 48 by 120 inches. These are perfect for fairs, parking lots, or construction sites where people view your banner from a distance. Larger banners like these make a huge impact and are great for long-distance visibility. They're commonly used for billboards, construction site barriers, or outdoor events, ensuring that your messaging is legible even from far away. If you're working on a marketing campaign that needs to stand out from a distance, these sizes are your go-to. Specialty sizes are also common. Retractable banners are often 33 by 80 inches for trade shows, which gives you a compact yet highly visible display option. They're easy to set up, take down, and transport. Additionally, pole banners for streetlights can be around 18 by 36 inches, providing an excellent vertical option for cities, towns, or businesses wanting to make use of existing street infrastructure for advertising. Once you've entered the exact width and height in inches, click Create New Design. Canva will open a blank canvas at that size, ready for you to design. The great thing about Canva is that it automatically adjusts your design to the dimensions you've chosen, so you don't have to worry about resizing it later. A few quick tips as you plan. Think about how far away your audience will stand. The farther the distance, the larger your text and key graphics need to be. If you're designing for a trade show, for example, you want bold, readable text that's legible from across the room. On the other hand, if you're creating a banner for a smaller, more intimate space, you can focus on fine details and smaller text. Keep important elements a bit away from the edges to avoid accidental trimming during printing. Many print shops will trim the edges of your design slightly, so leaving a buffer around key text and images will ensure everything looks as intended. Extend background colors or images fully to the edges for a clean finish, so your banner looks professionally printed without any borders or gaps. Use high-resolution photos and vector logos so everything stays sharp at large sizes. When designing large banners, pixelated or blurry images can make your banner look unprofessional. Vector graphics are especially useful because they scale well without losing quality, ensuring that your logo and any artwork will look crisp no matter the size. If you're working with a print shop, ask about bleed and preferred file formats so your export settings match their requirements. Bleed is the area that extends beyond the edge of your design, ensuring that no white space appears when the banner is cut. Common file formats that print shops prefer include PDF, PNG, or TIFF for high-quality outputs. It's always a good idea to check with the print shop first to make sure your file meets their specifications. That's it. You've created a correctly sized banner in Canva, and you're ready to design with confidence. Whether you're creating a banner for a pop-up shop, event, or marketing campaign, you now know how to choose the right size and ensure your design will look fantastic when it's printed. Good luck and happy designing!